This pair of devices you see here are called PV or Power and Video Balun. With these devices, you can transport AHD or analog CCTV camera videos over terminated network cables, whereby both the power and video that are required, that is the power that is supposed to go to the camera, and the video that comes from the camera can be transported on these single network cables when you use what we call the PV or power and video balloons. So let's look at the power and video balloon connection to an AHD CCTV camera. When you take a critical look at the PV balloons, let me take it one after the other. You realize that one side comes with an Ethernet port, and when you turn it over, the other side comes with a B and C connector, and then also there is a male DC power connector. There is also the other one that comes with an Ethernet port as well, and then the other end also comes with a B and C connector, and then also there is a female DC power connector. This end that comes with the male DC power connector is the end that sits by the camera, whilst the other end will sit by the DVR. So let's look at how that is done. So when you take a normal AHD CCTV camera, you realize that there is a video terminal which is a female DC, or sorry, a female BNC connector. So the PV balloon can be interfaced in this manner where the video terminals can interface together. So you lock them up together, and then the DC power connectors can be plugged into each other. So this does it for your connection at the camera end. And so this end where you have the Ethernet port, you can then plug in a terminated network cable. So as you plug it in, the other end, which is the one that goes to the side that goes indoors, will be plugged into the second PV balloon. So as you plug it in, this other end, this is the point you will plug into your DVR or your digital video recorder. The power adapter or the DC power connection is the last to be connected, and so you will need a power source. This is a 12 volts DC power adapter which can be used to supply power to the camera. So this can be plugged into the second PV balloon. So as you plug it in, it means that power will then be fed into the balloon, and it will travel through the balloon into the network cable and then come into the second balloon. It will be divided into power and video. So the power will be fed into the camera, and then the video captured from the camera will travel through the video terminal of the camera, come into the balloon, travel over this network cable, and then get into the second balloon. The second balloon will then separate the video that goes into the DVR, and the power section is the point that will then be feeding the power into the camera. So this is how you connect the PV or the power and video balloon for AHD or analog cameras.